Good morning, Sto-Rox. Today is Friday, November 18th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for the moment of silence. Thank you. Tonight, the Vikings take on Beaver Falls at Ambridge for the semifinals. Come out and watch us win. Bus passes for the fan bus will be sold on lunch for $3 today. Students will also need a signed waiver to get on the bus. We need 40 seniors to order 40 senior hoodies. See Ms. Marshall for orders. Seniors portraits for the yearbooks are due December 12th. These should be head and shoulder shots in full colors by a professional photographer. No tube tops or tank tops. Thank you.
Attention junior and seniors, are you interested in learning to fly a drone? Looking to be a certified drone pilot and earn money on the side? Starting in December, Sto-Rox will host an after-school drone program where you will become a certified drone pilot. The club will meet once a week after school from 2 to 3 for 10 weeks. There are limited numbers of students who may participate, so if you are interested, please see Mr. Hurton to be added to the list. Also, for juniors and seniors, are you interested in trades? On Tuesday, November 22nd, there will be a field trip to CCAC West Hill Center to explore a variety of hands-on trades from carpenter, auto, mechanics, mechanic tool, welding, and more. Permission forms are available and counseling suit and must be returned by Monday. See Mr. Hurton for further information. Students, please remember that you are not allowed to bring any open snacks or drinks. Open snacks and drinks will be thrown away at check-in if you bring them.